Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for learning English. So if you want to improve your speaking, writing, grammar, and vocabulary, just follow along. First, open ChatGPT on your phone and then start a new chat. Now you can begin by telling ChatGPT your level. For example, you can type, I'm a beginner in English. Teach me step by step. ChatGPT will adjust the lessons based on your level. Next, you can practice daily conversations. For example, act like a friend and talk to me in simple English. You can also improve grammar by asking ChatGPT to correct your sentences. Just type your sentence and say, correct this sentence and explain the mistake. Another powerful method is vocabulary building. You can ask, teach me 10 new English words with meanings and examples. You can also practice speaking by reading answers out loud and repeating them. If you want, you can even ask ChatGPT to give you quizzes, tests, or daily challenges to improve faster. So that was how to use ChatGPT for learning English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.